Welcome to my channel, your go-to destination for the latest in cutting-edge technology. Today, we're diving deep into Garmin Forerunner 975, the latest watch. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is expected to push the boundaries of sports smartwatches, catering especially to endurance athletes, triathletes, marathon runners, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts. With a focus on performance, health insights, safety, and connectivity, here's everything you need to know about this flagship device in great detail. Display and design. AMOLED touchscreen display. The Forerunner 975 will likely feature a 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a 454 by 454 resolution, offering crystal-clear visuals even in bright sunlight. AMOLED ensures rich color contrasts, smooth animations, and an overall modern look. Always-on display mode AOD. The AOD feature helps you keep an eye on metrics like heart rate, pace, or time without raising your wrist. Perfect for runners and cyclists. Premium lightweight build. Expect a fiber-reinforced polymer case and possibly a titanium bezel to ensure durability while keeping the watch ultra-lightweight, around 55 grams. Customizable watch faces and widgets. Athletes can personalize data fields, widgets, and watch faces directly through the Garmin Connect app, tailored to different workout modes or daily use. Advanced health and wellness monitoring. ECG, electrocardiogram, function. New to the Forerunner line, ECG capability lets you measure your heart's electrical activity and helps detect atrial fibrillation, AFib. Readings can be shared with your doctor directly through Garmin Connect. Elevate V5 heart rate sensor. The newest generation of Garmin's optical heart rate sensor provides improved tracking during HIIT or interval training, accurate resting heart rate, stress monitoring, and calorie burn, real-time VO2 max estimations, pulse oximeter SpO2, continuously monitors blood oxygen saturation, helpful for high-altitude activities and identifying early signs of sleep disorders or overtraining. HRV, heart rate variability, tracking. HRV is an indicator of recovery, stress, and fatigue. The watch offers morning HRV status, letting you know when to push hard or take a rest day. Sleep score and sleep stages. Tracks light, deep, REM, and awake stages. Paired with SpO2, it delivers a complete sleep score, helping optimize rest and recovery. Sports and training features. Over 60 sports modes. Supports a wide range of sports including running, trail, treadmill, indoor intervals, triathlon, swimming, pool and open water, cycling, road, gravel, MTB, strength training, yoga, HIIT, Pilates, skiing, rowing, and more. Training readiness score. Combines sleep, HRV, stress, and training load to calculate your readiness score, helping you avoid overtraining. Adaptive training plans and AI coaching. Using real-time data, Garmin Connect delivers personalized dynamic workout suggestions, ideal for marathon training or general fitness. Running power, no accessory needed. Get real-time running power metrics directly from the wrist, helping to fine-tune pacing and reduce injury risk. Recovery time advisor. After each workout, the watch suggests how long you need to recover based on intensity, HRV, and your current training status. Race Predictor 2.0. Improved race prediction for 5K, 10K, half marathon, and marathon, based on recent training patterns and VO2 max. Navigation and outdoor tools. Multi-band GNSS plus SAT-IQ. High-precision GPS using L1 and L5 frequencies across multiple satellite systems. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo. Ideal for tracking in urban or forested areas. Preloaded topo-active maps. Full-color topographic, ski resort, and golf course maps are included, with turn-by-turn navigation. Climb Pro 2.0. Real-time data for upcoming climbs. Shows elevation gain, grade, distance left, and how many climbs remain on your route. Next fork navigation. Alerts you to upcoming trail forks and shows distance to the next turn. Track back and back to start. Safely guides you back along your original route. Helpful for trail runners and cyclists. Battery life and charging. Standard battery life. Smartwatch mode, up to 18 days. GPS mode, up to 60 hours. Ultra track mode, up to 150 hours. Solar charging, optional variant. Extended battery life via Power Glass solar lens, giving several extra days in smartwatch mode, depending on sun exposure. Wireless charging, Qi-compatible. Finally dropping the proprietary charger. The Forerunner 975 supports Qi wireless charging, making it easy to recharge on the go. Smart features and connectivity. LTE connectivity, optional. Allows for live track without your phone, incident detection and SOS, real-time sharing of activity, phone-free streaming of music, Spotify, Deezer, Garmin Pay, contactless payments directly from your wrist. Leave your wallet and phone behind during workouts. Bluetooth version 5.3 and Wi-Fi. Ensures fast sync, stable connections to sensors and music downloads. Music storage. Supports offline storage of up to 2,000 songs, playlists from Spotify and Amazon Music. Smart notifications. Receive call, text, calendar, and app alerts when paired with a smartphone, iOS or Android. Safety and utility tools. Built-in LED flashlight. Dual intensity LED for emergency signaling, red safety light. Night visibility during runs. Hands-free illumination. Fall detection and emergency alerts. Automatically detects crashes or falls and alerts emergency contacts with location info. Morning report. Each morning you get a summary of sleep recovery weather. Conclusion. The ultimate GPS multisport watch? The Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be the most powerful and complete GPS fitness smartwatch on the market. Whether you're a professional triathlete, a marathon runner, or someone committed to health and performance, this watch is designed to empower your journey. With ECG, LTE, solar charging, next-gen training insights, and a beautiful AMOLED display, it bridges the gap between serious sport and smart living. Training readiness. Suggested workout.